This your man, Keep It Clean Ray, coming back with another vid. I want to talk about these upcoming Jordans that's supposed to drop. I think they come out in April, so I'm a little early, but I've been looking at them and I've been thinking, because they've been on my most anticipated cop so far, 2021. When I saw the image of them last year, I was like, yo man, they might be one of the hardest Jordan 1s ever. And it's those hyper blue Jordan 1. I'm really like, man, I really need to get my hands on it, but everybody know blue is my favorite color, and I'm like, I got the Game Royals, and I have the blue toes. And I got, of course, I'm gonna check my feet out on these today, but this is not the same blue. Anyway, I'm a sucker for royal blue. Speaking of royal blue, little quick pickups, little polo t-shirt. Yeah, little polo t-shirt, size large, tall. I am 6'5", so I try to get my shirts tall if I can, especially when I'm ordering stuff, because you never know how stuff comes out. And I bought a burgundy one too, still in the bag. I had to take that one out because I want to try it on. Pretty much the same thing. I just want to try one of them on to see how it fits. And this one got like a, let's see. This one got like a navy blue horse on it. That one's royal blue with the white horse. Large, tall. Got the paper straight out of the Ralph Lauren polo site, whatever. But yeah, royal blue. So yeah, let's get with the royal blue. Not saying I bought this shirt to go with it, but I like to just kind of pick up items as I go, especially like when I know it's the shoes that are coming out, or if I want to style with some old shoes, I just pick up random items that I see when I'm just shopping online. And clothes-wise, I kind of like to lean towards the simple stuff so my shoes can stand out more. To each his own. People like to dress. I try not to dress too loud with my clothes, and I like my clothes to fit my body a certain way. So I'm always thinking about the cuts, the shapes, all that kind of stuff, and size. So I'm trying my best to read descriptions and stuff. Some stuff, I just go with the flow and order it. If it sucks, here's what it is. I either try to take it back or I try to sell it on eBay, one or the other. Speaking of, I got 2 items. I ain't gonna talk about them until they come because I'm very interested to see. That's if they come, because I still ain't got no tracking, and I ordered these items back on the 13th or the 14th of this month. And still haven't came. Matter of fact, I ordered the items literally right around the same time I ordered this shirt. So, and the shirt has came, but the other items haven't came. And it's not Ralph Lauren, just one of them companies that you see on Instagram that go through your little advertisement stories. So I'm like, I'll give one of them a chance, and we're gonna see how it come out. Hopefully come out right. We'll see. That's if it comes. Still ain't got no shipping information on them. I have to call the company in a minute to see what's going on with my ordering. But yeah, that's enough of that. But back to these Hyper Royals. Should I buy? Should I buy? Let's see. Let's go to my OGs. Go to my OGs. Got these. And I'm talking about should I buy? Like, I'm really gonna buy them. So I got my OG gang. I don't say OG. Well, they all joining my retro OG shit. My Gang Royals. And they didn't come with white laces, but they look better with the white laces in my opinion. So that's what I went with. You know, I always keep me some laces from either Slickies or Rope Lace Supply, one or the other. Whoever got my supply and stuff. See what that water. I got these, and then, you know, if you saw my vid, my second favorite Jordan 1 of 2020, the Game Royals, and of course, didn't come with white laces either, but I put white laces. And for some reason, I like white laces in my Jordan 1s when it's like different hits of white in the shoe somewhere. Not just the midsole, but just somewhere. It might be one of the shoe that I got the J Balvin. I put the white laces in those. That's because it got like you can see like white trimming on it, and it kind of bring it out. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get that shoe too. But as you can see, boy, I think I kind of like it with this a lot better for some reason. I think this would be a more cleaner look. I kind of, and I kind of like these more so when I'm wearing more of black than royal blue for some reason. I like this shirt black, white with baby blue. So I kind of like that same kind of pattern outside the baby blue with these. Like there was black, white, and then this was kind of like this type of royal bluish or something. See, I like it when it's like that to go with these. But like with these, royal blue all day. Now I would prefer like some royal blue sweatpants with these versus royal blue sweatpants with these. For some reason. But yeah, let me grab that J Balvin shoe real quick. Okay, so we got my J Balvin. All right, and I was talking about laces. So, like these come with all these different type of laces. But for some reason, the white laces hit, and I know somebody will say, what's your favorite Jordan 1 of 2020? I did not put these on the list. Because at the time when I got them, I really didn't know how to rank them. All I know was it was a crazy shoe and I liked it. And it's crazy because I was going to try to get a trade with one of my buddies for this shoe. And he actually hit on the sneakers out for it. And I was going to try to trade him. But his asking price was just not accommodating for which shoe he wanted from me. It was a shoe I was like, ain't no way I'm getting rid of that one. So, yeah. So yeah, like these, like, okay. Like I mentioned, like I like the white laces. When you got some white, a lot of white going on in the shoe, like this one. And it didn't come with white laces. This one actually came with white laces. And this one, you know what I'm saying, you got the white hit. So to me, the white laces just go naturally better. Even though I've worn with the blue laces, and I've worn these with black laces. But these, they come with black laces. Matter of fact, let's see. I did an out of style in these with the light pink laces and the neon laces. Yeah, I'm always start keeping stuff in the box. So, yeah. Laces. Not a piece of ball, but you know. So all right, I'm back. I had to take a quick little break. I had to go handle some business real quick. Now I'm back. I was talking about white laces, I'm sure, but yeah. Let's scratch that. We're good on that. Hyper Royals. I got these. I got these. And I can't wait to get the Hyper Royals in hand because it ain't no if I'm gonna get them. I'm going to get them. It's just a matter of time. Do I hit on the sneakers out? Do I take an L? Do I hit on the foot site? Or do I take an L? Or do I have to pay resale? Either way it goes, I'm going to get this shoe. And I'm going to compare it to these. I don't know which one I like the best. I kind of like this one the best, but then again, I like this one the best. But like I said, this is the best one of 2020. Royal blue, my favorite color, so it's always hard to pick. Yeah, this is one of my favorite ones too of all time. Right here. Got that Chicago colorway outside of the white tone. I guarantee the next time they do it like this, they're gonna probably do it with the white tone. Same way as with the white tone. On them, they'll probably make this sell, the mid-sole sell or something like that. Just give a different look, maybe a vintage look. But I'm always feeling the Royal Jordan 1. I really don't care for too many of the mids and lows, because I kind of like that OG look. I feel like they execute the OGs a lot better, the mids and lows. If it's not an OG low, you got that old cheap material on it. And man, you ain't even gotta pick up the shoe. You just look at it and like, something about it ain't right. But I wish they'll stop doing that. But hey, someone is buying them up, so they're gonna continue to do it. But I think the OG style is better. Like I said, these, even like I take the shoe off. You take this one, even though they put the SB stamp on it, you still got the OG look. You know what I'm saying? Which is a better finish. It might be the best Jordan 1 low ever. This might be. I'm talking about it. I'm talking about including collabs and all. It might just be the cleanest one ever. It actually was a collab that Eric Carlson, but just, it might be the best one. It's my favorite, for sure. I like the Travis Scott one low, I like the Chicago low. But I think I like these better. Actually, I like these better than the highs. Unless I'm tripping. I might be tripping, I don't know. But I do love this shoe. It's one of my top Jordan 1, period. Yeah. I think I might like this one better than the high. I might. But anyway, Hyper Royals. Yeah, it's definitely a go for me. And I'll be comparing them with these. And by then, I might have a better ranking on these. Because like I said, it's just hard to pick. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, most of the time, I probably lean toward this one. But then I have a moment where I'm leaning toward this one. So it is what it is. And I got a dog. My dog, I had to do stuff. My dog hairs is all on me. I hate that. Get you a dog that don't shed, please. Once you get attached to them, you'll never get rid of them. It's the beauty about dogs. But yeah, that's enough for me. Until next time, like, share, subscribe. If you want any people love Jordan 1s and ain't got no Jordan 1s, get you some Jordan 1s. Even if you gotta pay resale, go get you some.
Big vibes, 4-wheel tipping, do say sipping, do say spilling, juice drippings, how I'm living.
I'm pistol packing, it's concealed, I keep it stagnant. If I ever have to grab it, different action.
Champagne guts, white Russians on white Russians. Processed curls like daily breakfast, moving smooth like a whistle.
Real patrollers hit the track like, oh, you owe us. Why you paying for the stroking? She donated to my program.
Don't get it mistaken, you're true to bone and your missus taking it, and I'm skating, and now she my girl.
Yeah.